What's going on, everyone? It's Mike from the Car Bar, and today we have a very exciting video. In case you don't recognize the car that me and Nate are in, we got a donor car. Nate got a donor car for his Legacy because this Legacy has a 5-speed. You like that?
Hell yeah.
So the goal of this entire project, it's a big project, is to get this good old 5-speed out of this Legacy and plop it into his so he can use his car with the manual. So Nate has made good progress taking the seat out, and you can see it's absolutely trashed in here. And our first step is to get that clutch pedal assembly out of there so we can utilize it. That's all we're really gonna be doing for today, but I will show you around the car, so let me do that. All right, guys, so you wanna hit the light on the car? This is what he's got, and it's a beautiful 2002 Legacy Outback wagon. It is completely shot. I believe there's a hole in the motor. I'm not sure if you can be able to see it because I gotta do a lot of stuff with my hands here. But it's down there somewhere chilling. Oil splattered out everywhere. Beautiful motor. 230,000 miles on this bad boy. Absolutely mint. Anyway.
You think it's a 12 or a 10? What are we saying? 12 or 10?
That's a 10. It's always a 10.
It's always a 10.
Alright, you guys can see we got that symmetrical all-wheel drive, as do all Subarus. It's an absolute mess in this car, by the way.
Yeah.
The owner just did not take care of it at all. But it's got that 5-speed though.
Hey.
Interior, absolutely mint. That's mint right there. It's mint stuff.
Like I said, eBay hit me up.
eBay.
Hey.
There's a lot of grime everywhere. Nah. You can see like right there on the shifter.
No, don't worry about it.
Good grime. Ooh, someone's cruising. Ooh, and an Audi. I don't know if you guys could see that. It was kind of nice. All right, everyone. If you're wondering why we're doing this in literally pitch black, it's because Nate had work, and we're doing this now. That's about it.
Hold on. Where's my 10 at? My 10 is right there. Get that junk out of there.
All right, fellas. So this is what we're dealing with.
Yeah, it's like you see how like the screw comes out of it?
Yeah.
The back of the screw, or the tip of the screw is hitting the back of the socket.
That's no bueno.
I would just like to say how big of a legend I am.
Yeah, you are.
Yo, actually, where are the floor mats? You want to grab the floor mat? Or no, let's use this one.
What do you want to do with the floor mat? Oh, for your knees. Smart. If you want, we can go get the, wait, is that loosening?
Let's check. Yep.
Oh, can you just wiggle it off then?
Yep.
Oh, bet. Making progress. So after you get that bolt off, what is the next thing? Take care of like the
3
cables?
bolts off, then just the cables.
Oh, and then just pops it out?
Yep. Are you recording this right now?
Yeah, I've been recording everything.
Alright, because I would just like to say that I went upside down just to undo a bolt, and I'm a legend for it.
Alright, Nate, you want to update us on how we're doing?
Alright, so we got the 3 bolts out that hold the clutch and brake to the firewall. We are just figuring out how to take off all the wiring, so we don't do what we did with the seat.
Okay, right, because we've ripped out the cable of the seat because we got frustrated, as any normal person would.
Yeah.
So he's got to get some cables worked out, and then off with the clutch. And then after the clutch is off, we can take the entire assembly off, and then that'll be it. We'll be done for today. And then I believe the next thing you're going to be seeing is us taking off the automatic pedal assembly in the Legacy, take that out, and then put in this assembly just so that's done. We don't have to worry about it until we do the transmission swap. All right, everyone. This is the last bolt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This one was a bit tricky to get out, and Nate's finger sort of may have hit some plastic, but it's okay. He said it was for the greater good.
And it was.
Yeah,
Oh my god, I just raked my knuckle again.
Again, damn. That's the one thing with working by this part in the car, your knuckles are kind of gonzo.
Oh, that's it. That is it.
Oh yeah? Oh,
Fucking golden snitch right there.
look at that.
Hey.
Close to being done. Close, not all the way, but close. Is there something else? Yeah. What is it?
Some more bolts. All right, so there's one more, and it's bolting this
Yeah.
to this.
All right. So is that a hard task or a not so hard task?
No, I think we can finesse that. I'm gonna see if it's a 12, and I'm going to use the same exact rig. Actually, I don't think I need the U-joint. I'm just gonna go like that. Guess what?
Yes, sir.
Now we gotta do this in my car.
Oh, lovely. Well, yours is an automatic, so I assume it'll be a bit easier.
Yep, there's literally 3 bolts.
Really? And then you just take like the brake harness off.
Yeah. Oh, send it. Oh, send it. Oh, give me that.
Got it? Oh, big bet.
Voila.
Look at that. And that means you can yank that piece out. I hope.
What the hell? What else is holding this John in?
Nah, there's another bolt, isn't there?
Of course there is.
And where's that one?
In no man's land. Yo, this is insane, bruh.
Okay, so as it turned out, of course, it was actually super easy to get to. Just put on a bunch of extensions on the ratchet, and now it's coming off very nicely. Also,
Good.
I'm sorry about the focusing issues because with low light and me being a terrible cameraman.
Yo, just
kinda tough.
check the rig out.
Oh, look at that. How many extensions you got? Is that 1, 2? That's 3 extensions.
3 extensions.
I mean, I felt it pop over one of the threads just a second ago. Oh,
It's shaking. You see this right here? This one? It goes through
sort of.
all of them. That's what's keeping it on. All the bolts are off it though.
So there's no taking that off right now? All right, everyone.
My name is Brandon.
So 5 bolts later, and we're on the last bolt for the 3rd or 4th time, and that's a representation about how this is going. The trick is he's taking the gas pedal assembly off, so that we can just take everything out at once because I believe the bar was holding it all together. So once that's off, we're pretty confident that the whole thing should just come out. And if it doesn't, then we're at another roadblock, and that's kind of sad. Oh boy.
Alright, there's one last thing we have to do, and I'm pretty sure we can get this thing out of here.
One last thing, huh? So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is snowing. Yeah, it was supposed to snow tonight, and sadly, it had to start now. So it just made our job a little colder, but that's kind of it. It's just cold, and the lighting is really bright now. So we got Nate. He is still working on that. Well, what do you got going on for you, buddy?
So I got the pin out, and you see the rivet that you were talking about?
Yeah, I know the rivet.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
There's 2 of them.
Yep.
How are you gonna take care of that? Cause like,
That's a good ass question. I'm not prepared to answer that this time.
I'm sure you got that. Look at the beautiful snow, everyone. Look at that. You can see some in the car. We can see some on the hood of the Legacy. Just look at that. Tell me that's not the most handsome Subaru you've ever seen. See, lots of nice snow with my little flashlight I got. Hold on. Look at my little flashlight. Yeah.
It's actually super bright.
All right, everyone, we have made minimal progress since last time. The only thing we've done is taken off that clutch reservoir completely. Our buddy Dan showed up. He is helping, and he is doing great.
Oh, do you need a light much? Oh, you have.
He's got one. All right, he's gonna do most of this hard stuff because he has half a clue what he's doing. Hit that light.
Hit the clutch.
See, good. That was good. Probably slammed it pretty hard there.
Nah, you're chilling, dude. Nobody knows the thing.
No, the neighborhood's still quiet. Also, guys, it started snowing again. But by snow we mean like more hail, like symptoms.
Oh, they can see it. No, I'm getting like.
Oh, how magical is that? Yeah, guys. So we got this this bad boy
Yo,
up
you're
and
literally
removed.
shaking the exact same shit that we were shaking before and like trying to get out.
It goes around. If you follow this line all the way around through here, it'll lead to that back there.
drop this on
Okay, fellas, taking out the air box and the air intake so we can see our transmission there.
Let me get the ratchets.
There's things we need. What here do we need exactly?
Well, to begin with, this is the brake fluid reservoir.
That's brake fluid.
Yeah, this is clutch.
That's
Yo,
clutch.
Wanna get me a?
Feels terrible.
Wanna hand me an extender?
See those bolts on the firewall?
Oh, these ones right there.
Well, I don't know, because there's something holding in the
Yo,
whole
it's
assembly.
definitely those. That's literally where the rivets are. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
2 little rivets.
We'll see if it's a 10. It's not a 10, it's a 12.
Sir, it's
Yeah, it's a fucking
That's
14.
like a 14.
Did you bring all of those?
I have
Oh,
a 14.
They're in the
Perfect.
they're in the back.
Wait, you
of,
have one? Running low on battery, boys.
Wait a
that
minute.
it?
You
Wait
know
a-
I got more.
Yes, sir.
And we are going.
Alright. Hey, Nate, want to tell us what's good? What's going on?
So we took the battery out. Windshield wiper holder for the fluid. Whatever the hell it's called, air box.
Good stuff.
Now we're just like finessing it, bro.
Oh, are we done?
Think any gas will come out?
So this is
Maybe
for
a
the
little
clutch, brakes. There's rivets down there we need to get off that are too rusted. Yeah, some good stuff.
That is good stuff.
Actual progress. I will not.
Yeah, we emptied out a lot
we've
of stuff.
said that
here.
a lot, but I swear it's
That's
actual
why I
progress
said
this time.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
It's not that snowy, dog. Chill out.
Big man stuff.
On the screen.
It's right
Oh,
around,
it's right past
right there.
There it is, right there, fellas. That right there is the gaping hole in this motor. Very nice. I'm glad.
Gaping.
That's
I
cool.
love how you just said gaping.
All right, guys.
All just packed.
We're all kind of tired and it's really cold, so we're gonna wrap up for today. And the lighting's really great, and it's cold and it's snowing.
Buzzing me on Snapchat.
Someone's buzzing him. So
Ew.
thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll have a part 2, finishing all this up and getting more stuff done with his legacy. All right, guys. Appreciate you all watching. I'll see you in the next one.